Jamb 2019 Principles of Account past question number 20. A sole trader purchased goods in cash worth 2,000 naira at 2% discount and made a cash sale of 1,000 naira at the same rate of discount. Determine the amount of discount allowed. Discount allowed. Discount allowed is given to a person who is selling. So we have 2%. %2% of 1,000 naira which is 2/100 times 1,000 naira over 1. So this will give us two here. This one will go and this one will go. So we have 2 times 10, which is 20 naira. That will give us 20 naira. Option B is the right option. Thank you, and please subscribe for more past questions.